Key stage 3 maths, okay, going from a percentage to a decimal in hopefully 31 seconds. Let's go. Okay, so to go from a percentage to a decimal, guys, all I do is I divide the number by 100, okay? If you remember that percent means per 100, it means out of 100, okay? So 35% divided by 100, you will get 0.35, okay? Sorry, 0.38, sorry, it should be 38%, not 35, sorry. Okay, this next one, 26% as a decimal, divided by 100, you will get 0.26. So decimal point moves 2 places to the left. Okay, think of it as 26.0. Okay, it moves 2 places to the left. Okay, so think of it like that. Okay, write that down if that helps. Okay, this next one, 37% as a decimal, be 0.37. Okay, 94% will be 0.94. It's getting a bit trickier now. 101%, that'll be 1.01, and you can have that as a decimal. Yep, that does make sense. Okay, that just means a percentage increase rather than a decrease. Okay, this next one, 126%, that'll be 1.26. And lastly, 87.5%, again, moving that 2 places to the left, you get 0.875. And that's how to convert between a percentage to a decimal. So the key part is we divide it by 100. So decimal point moves 2 places to the left. If it helps you, write out the number 0.0 at the end, and then the decimal point moves 2 places to the left, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Okay, hopefully you found it useful and informative.